Kuwait Coffee Festival, I think. Yeah, Kuwait Coffee Festival 2022.
And now gently press it down. You're gonna feel some resistance, but it's okay. Keep pressing, keep going. Exactly. Keep going till the bottom.
You did it so fast. You have a takeaway box, right?
Ah, yes, yes.
So I was asking for that.
Okay. Takeaway.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूँ एक्सप्लोरर। आज मैं आ चुका हूँ शाहीद पार्क में अगेन टू एक्सप्लोर दिस कुवैत कॉफ़ी फेस्टिवल बाय Boubyan Bank. It's a good bank actually. They provide a lot of good benefits. Oh, they made this cool card of the Qatar FIFA World Cup. Coffee, guys. So guys, this is the KCF Kuwait Coffee Festival, I think. Yeah, Kuwait Coffee Festival 2022. It's almost gonna become 2023. हाँ, ये रहा प्राइम। चलो देखते हैं। मुझे लगता है वो प्राइम है जो प्राइम मॉन्स्टर आ गई ना, कूल ड्रिंक और USA. क्योंकि वो काफ़ी ऐसा रखा हुआ है, ऐसा होना चाहिए। Oh, Toby's Estate. Oh my god, I love Toby's Estate.
ماما انت ستي؟ لا ما ما قدرت تسوي شو اسمه قتل هدوء
You did it so fast. ये मेरे लिए गाना absolute मुश्किल होगा। Oh, what's this? ये लोग Rubik's Cube कितना fast है। Ball. Churros. Wait, how is churros counted in coffee festival? Sus. Location क्या? Latte art session. Very strong smell actually, guys. Yep, very strong smell. Hey, the coffee is dropping. Fantastic, that's so pure.
Okay, come on in.
Okay.
But I want you to follow what I say, okay?
Okay.
So I can help you.
You can.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay.
So I'll
So
hold
yeah,
this?
only hold it from these places because it's
Okay.
super hot. Now pull it all the way up. When you feel it stops. Yeah. All the way up.
Yeah,
Keep it
it's
here
stopped.
for
It's stopped.
yeah. Keep it for 3, 4, 5. And now gently press it down. You're gonna feel some resistance, but it's okay. Keep pressing, keep going. Exactly. Keep going till the bottom. Till you feel it stops. And then okay. Excellent. And we're done. But this is super strong.
Okay.
Super
I
strong.
smell
Yeah.
it.
Okay.
Okay, thank
Here
you so
go.
much.
Have a good time. Have a good day.
You too.
This one is lighter, not very dark.
This one.
What you call this one?
Arabic.
Arabic coffee, that's it. Thank you.
Different types of coffee beans. Colombian, actually there's language in coffee like well done, half done, something like that. This is El Salvador, Los Premios Nature. Kenya. What? Please turn off me now. Okay. We are preparing the stuff. Things. I think we can actually start. Never mind. We can't. Wait, I think you have to draw this. So guys, I am going to dip and dip to have a waffle. Yes, I'll have Arabic coffee, cardamom, and the extra discards, which I'll have one of these. You have a takeaway box, right?
Ah, yes,
Yes. So I was asking for that.
Okay. Take away the bag or because we only have like this bag.
Yeah, okay. गाइस अभी मैं इस इवेंट से निकल रहा हूँ क्योंकि दूसरी जगह पे भी जाना है। तो चलिए कहीं और चलते हैं अभी फ़िलहाल। तो ये था कुवैत कॉफ़ी फेस्टिवल का इवेंट। यप, सो बाय। मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब, लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर।